getting engaged. That means game over. So I've made an entire list. We have planned the engagement. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you guys have been following me already, or if you have noticed, I have made a small change to my YouTube channel name. From On The Go with Nushi, we have changed it to Nushi Vlogs. I don't know why I did that, but I thought, okay, let's keep it something more, specific to YouTube. So I've changed it to Nushi Vlogs. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe before we get into this video. So this video is going to be a life update, my life update, major update. So recently I had done a poll on Instagram where I asked my followers, that there's a major life update coming. Can you guess what it is? So the most number of answers that came in, 80% of the people guessed it right. It was, most of them told I'm getting a new house, I'm getting a new car, I'm quitting my job and becoming a full-time content creator. But no, none of these are true. And the right answer is that yes, I am getting engaged to the love of my life. Today is 20th of April. I'm making this video and I'm getting engaged in just 2 days, 21, 22. 23rd April is my engagement. So I just thought I'll come and share it with you guys.
Before that, you might have noticed I'm sitting in a very normal dress, but I'm wearing this jhumkas. So the main point why I'm wearing is that we make it clear. So these are gold earrings which I got for my engagement. But my ear hole had become very small and almost I couldn't wear these. So 2 days before the engagement, my mom was like, you better try wearing it and keep wearing it for at least a day so that you're not feeling uncomfortable or it doesn't pain on the day of the engagement. So that is why I'm sitting like this. On a weekday, I'm working and I'm sitting like this. So this is why you see me in this get up today. So don't mind me.
Coming to the engagement, the big news. We actually wanted to keep it very simple. With the initial idea was the guy's side of the family would come home and meet my parents, and we had already gone there and met them. So they wanted to come here and do like a small ceremony at home because we wanted that. We didn't want a lot of people. And they wanted to do that, and we thought we'll call in few relatives from both sides, very close relatives. But then the count came up to 20 to 30 people. Close relatives itself came up to 20 to 30 people. And we thought that okay, our house cannot fit so many people at once. So we thought okay, we'll do it in a small party hall kind of thing, a very intimate ceremony with just close friends and relatives. And now the count has gone up to 80 to 90 people. And one thing led to another, and it has become a huge event now. Very contradictory to what we thought it should be like. So both of us wanted to keep it very minimal and simple at home, just exchange a small drink. But then one thing led to another, and now I have this book where I've planned everything, right from the budget to what all we need, what all we have to do. So yeah, the first thing we decided the party hall, which is in Uttrali. We found something very small, about 100 to 150 capacity. That was the smallest we could find. And we found a hall. So then we thought, okay, it's just going to be in a small hall and relatives from both sides coming. We thought 50 people, that's it. And then again, you know how it is, right? ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಕರೆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಕರಿಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಕರೆದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾವನ ಕರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಅತ್ತೆನ ಕರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ. Same thing happened, and now we have like 40 people coming from the guy's side, and then our side we have like 50 to 55 people, I guess. So overall 80 count bandide ivaga. And so the hall is finalized. And tomorrow I'm getting my mehendi done at home. I have the rates, oh my god, everything is so freaking expensive. When you're planning your own engagement or wedding, only then you come to know how expensive things are. I did not have any idea of how much these things are going to cost. So after booking the hall, we thought, okay, that's it. We're chill, good, we're good. So what else? What is next? So we did my sari shopping. So apparently there is like 2 saris that I'll be wearing. One is the Mantapa sari, that means what I'll be wearing from home till the hall. And the other sari is what the guy's side will be giving me. We'll be exchanging the tambula, and then they'll give me with the sari and everything. So I'll have to wear that sari during the ring exchange. So I think last month I had been to Chennai. The guy is from Chennai, by the way. So that is separate for another vlog about how we met, who is the guy and everything. So I gone to Chennai. We did some sari shopping from there, and then we purchased our rings also from there. So coming to the dress and everything is set. He has also got his, he's wearing something like an Achkan suit type. So the color of the sari and everything, you'll have to wait and watch till our engagement is over, and you all can have a look at the video. So yeah, that is that. The sari shopping is done. His suit is also done. And then the rings are done. What next? Where we thought, okay, it's a small hall. We don't need any decor. Who will do the decor and stuff? We'll only do something with flowers and KR market ಹೋಗಿ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ, ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ನಾವೇ ಏನೋ ಡೆಕೋರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ, ಯಾಕೆ ಖರ್ಚು ಅಂತ ಹಾಗೆ we thought. But then again, that didn't seem practical. On the day of the engagement or the event, we don't have much people to help us to go and do everything by ourselves. So we thought, okay, ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಡೆಕೋರ್ಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. So we have also arranged for the decor. Decoration rates, guys, trust me, it's super expensive. Just for a simple flower background with a curtain and stuff, they are asking like 15 to 20,000. I am like, okay, ಏನಿದು ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ರೇಟು ಅಂತ. So yeah, finally we have finalized the decor as well. So decor is done. Okay, decor ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯಿತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ photo is the first thing. Can you believe, I thought, okay, we'll just take photos in our iPhones. Everybody has iPhones, so we'll just do it in that. But then being a content creator, photos are my life, photos and videos. So how could I miss such a big event? How could I not call for a photographer? So photographer is also done. That again costed us about 25 to 30k. So we've not called for an traditional photography or videography. We've only told like a candid, since the count is very less, 80 people. So the photographers have agreed to do like a traditional candid kind of shoot. So they'll be providing both sets of pictures, I guess, and we still don't know how it's gonna come out, but I trust them. I think they're gonna do a great job. So photographer, and so it's a candid photography and candid videography is what we have decided to go with. So yeah, next is photography is done. So we've done with the hall, dress, rings, decor, photography. And I thought, okay, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಫೋಟೋ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಹಾಕ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಮೇಕಪ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ booked and ready. So I scrolled through Instagram and found this person who is like, I want something very subtle. So half the time I haven't done heavy makeup at all in my life. So you must have seen my previous vlog about the 1 minute makeup that I do. So that's all the makeup that I've done ever. So I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I'm very scared. So makeup is also set. So I'm yet to get my nails done and my mehendi. My mehendi is gonna be done tomorrow. tomorrow evening. Yeah, tomorrow evening Mehndi will be done, and Saturday morning I'm going for a haircut. Haircut is because I have another best friend's wedding coming up in the next week. So, and my hair looks very bad, so I thought, okay, I'll get a haircut and I will do my nails, because obviously engagement and I have to do all these poses. So I thought, okay, nails are a must. Again, I'm doing my nails for the first time. I'm gonna have like those glitter nails, those transparent, whatever they call it. I have a picture of it which I saw on Instagram again, and that's what I'm going to be I'm gonna get done. So let's see, I hope that turns out well as well. So that is that. And all my relatives and everybody is coming home on Saturday. So from Saturday it's going to be a full house. Saturday and Sunday it's going to be a full house. So I think only then I'll start getting the feels of, okay, I am actually getting engaged. So suddenly how it's happening now is like I'm just working or doing something, and then suddenly I just stop and I'm like, Anusha, you're getting engaged in 2 days. And then that's it. I'm like, oh. I don't know if this happens. Obviously, it must be happening with everybody who's gotten engaged or married. I might look all cool and calm, but then ತುಂಬ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಲೈಟಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಯಾ, ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಹೆದರಿಕೆನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I don't know when I'll be posting this, maybe only after the engagement. I'll not be posting it now. So whenever you guys see this video, if you have any doubts, if you are also a bride to be or planning your engagement or wedding, if you have any doubts, you can write to me. If you want any contacts of the photographers or anything, any ideas, so you can always drop a comment or you can DM me on my Instagram. I will respond. So yes, I hope all your blessings are with us for this auspicious day, and we're going to start our life together, our journey. It's going to be, I hope you guys show the same love, and give your heartfelt wishes for us. So yes, I'll definitely be sharing all the pictures and everything on my Instagram. So if you really want to know about how it went and everything, you can follow me on Instagram as well. But I don't know if I'll be able to make a vlog on the day. It's going to be super hectic, I know. So I don't think so. I will try, but I hope I will be able to make a kutti haul for you guys. And yeah, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're watching this video, drop a comment, and give us your wishes. Yep, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to be continuing this series as to where we did our engagement shopping and how everything went. Complete budget breakdown of everything that costed us, how much it costed, where we did, which is the photographer we booked. So I don't want to give all these details now because it's not done yet, and I am not very sure of how each service is going to be it the photographer, decor, the hall, or even the makeup artist. I'm not sure of anything. So once it's done, based on how I like it, I will definitely share all the details with you guys. So please keep supporting. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.